How to untag yourself on TikTok. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how you can untag yourself on TikTok, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what we need to do first is to go into the TikTok app. And now when we're on the TikTok app, and let's say that somebody tagged you, for example, in a TikTok video and you want to remove yourself from that, then you first need to click on your inbox symbol basically. Perfect. In here you will need to find your, basically the video that you've been tagged in, and you will be able to do so if you basically click where it says new activity. And in here you will be able to see all of your activity. You can see that my first one, it says that I've been tagged in a video, so I need to click right here. Perfect, now we're just going to load the video. And now when I'm on the video, then you can see that there's basically right beside the name of that person that tagged me, there's like a person, like one person symbol. That is exactly where I need to click. Perfect. In here you can see that my account has been tagged in that video, and to remove the tag I simply need to click where it says remove tag. Perfect. You can see that I have actually been removed from this video now. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.